talking about that one? Ooh, sticky and spicy. And make sure you have cash and have ID. So you can get your arcade on if you like arcade. Yeah, you know, she said boo, but congratulations. So unique. Their tables are orange, you know. Oh, so you made it. Okay then. Man, ooh, come on, man. How many people you want, dude? No, come on, man. Champions don't hide, man. Who's up next? This guy here? So just to let you guys know, it is an outside part. It is very cool, very laid back, very easy. As you see here, a little tropical theme, laid back. Definitely would love it. Tiki bar now. This is pretty cool. So this is Valley and Park Place in the historical area of Grand.